This is the slimmest budget phone in 2025, and yes, it is the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. And it is not only slim, it is also reasonably priced at around 274,000 naira. And spoiler alert, this phone has some unbelievable and incredible specs for its price and for how thin it is. And in this video, I'll be taking you through everything you need to know about the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus and if it is worth buying. But don't let us get ahead of ourselves. Let's check out what comes in the box. Inside the box, you get the paperwork that also house the screen protector and this clean magnetic case. You get the phone itself, a 45-watt charging brick, and a USB-C cable. More on the battery and charging department later in the video. The design of the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus will not wow you if you are looking at the back, but wait until you see the size of this phone, then you will notice how ridiculously thin it is. It has a nice matte finish body that helps to hinder fingerprint magnet. Nice. It is also pretty lightweight, coming at 160 grams. So holding and using the Spark 40 Pro Plus for a long time shouldn't be an issue. It is also IP64 dust and water resistant rated, which means even under shower or a drop of water from the sink, the phone would be fine. But as always, make sure you avoid water at all costs. Make sure you avoid putting your phone inside water at all costs. The SIM card tray of the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus is underneath, and it's an hybrid SIM card slot. And what I mean by an hybrid SIM card slot is that if you have one SD card, you can only use one SIM card. But if you don't have any SD card, you can use two SIM cards. You are free to use two SIM cards. That means one SD card, one SIM card, no SD card, two SIM card. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus also has an under-display optical fingerprint scanner, which is fast and decent. It is not the fastest in the world, but it gets the job done pretty well. The Spark 40 Pro Plus also has stereo speaker setup, but we'll get to that later in the video. At first glance, I think and feel Tecno has done a very good job to make the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus look like an high-end device, even though it's just a budget device. Kudos, Tecno. In the display department, size-wise, it's a pretty big 6.78 inches 1.5K AMOLED display with symmetrical bezels roundabout. Sweet. And that means this is already a big display and more than enough for content watching. YouTube or even Netflix movies look pretty good and sound pretty good thanks to that stereo speaker setup. And even when you are using this phone outdoors, you have no problem thanks to that 4500 nit peak of brightness. And correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, that is already brighter than the Samsung Galaxy S25 and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. And we are not done yet. If you are a gamer, you will love this one. It also comes with a 144Hz refresh rate. So scrolling through this phone or even gaming is smooth like butter. All of this is also protected with a curved Gorilla Glass 7 High. But be careful because glass is glass and glass breaks. But in all of this, you can't argue that Tecno took their time to make this display feel like an high-end display, even though again it's just a budget smartphone. Performance on the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus is also pretty good. It comes with the MediaTek Helio G200 and it is the first device to come with the MediaTek Helio G200 in 2025 and coupled with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. But if you'll be using two SIM card slots, I would suggest you go for the 256 GB of storage option so that you don't have issue with storage in the future. Well, the MediaTek Helio G200 is a 6nm chipset, and it is no news that if all you do is scrolling and watching content, this will handle it easily. Also, this chip has an improved graphics over the G100, so you can be sure that gaming on this phone is better and smoother. It will play your games at low to medium graphics settings, and MediaTek also says that it is well optimized for all-day battery life and for all-day gaming. So in the performance aspect, for a phone under $300, I think Tecno delivered once again. Software on the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus is Android 15 with Tecno HIS version 15. And as I've said on my Spark 40 review, Android 15 with HIS version 15 is feature packed, and that is still true. Yeah, we have a lot of AI features here. Some of them are AI writing, AI reading, and AI summary. We have AI magic eraser and photo editing. We have circle to search. We have AI call assistance. We still have Ella Tecno voice assistant. Tecno is not playing around when it comes to features on the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. But hey, don't forget that this is still a budget phone, so we have Bluetooth. They are not as many as one on the Tecno Spark 40, but we still have them, and you can always uninstall them, right? And Tecno is also adding something they call Freelink. I don't know about the idea. I think it's a cool idea. You can call and text somebody that also has Freelink without mobile data or airtime. It's just through Bluetooth. And the only phone with Freelink right now is Tecno and probably Infinix. So I think they are trying to make it like an ecosystem kind of thing. We see how it goes. I think that's something to keep an eye. And for software updates, I didn't see any official announcement about software updates. But again, Tecno should be giving us 2 to 3 years of software update because this is a Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. So we should be expecting 2 to 3 years of major Android updates. One thing that is shocking about the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus is how Tecno crammed a 5200 mAh battery into this device, while still managed to make it look as thin as it is. Like, it is not normal. There's nothing you can tell me. And it is of no news that this phone will last you a full day on a single charge unless you are trying to kill it. And when you finally kill it, it comes with a 45-watt fast charging, which means it will be back to 100% in about an hour. And do you know that in this slim phone, Tecno still have 30-watt wireless charging technology and a reverse wireless charging technology? Like, how cool is that? This has to be the slimmest phone with this kind of charging experience and with this kind of battery experience in 2025. Like, name one in the comment section, correct me if I'm wrong. Lastly, let's talk cameras, or should I say camera. Even though we have 3 rings lined up, we just have one useful main camera. One of it is an auxiliary lens and the other is an IR blaster for electronic controls. Well, we have a 50 megapixel main camera and a 30 megapixel selfie camera. Both cameras takes really decent pictures. This should give you some B plus to A minus pictures, but make sure you give your subject a lot of light. That is very important in budget category. For videos, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus can shoot as high as 2K 30 frames per second max and as low as 1080p 30 frames per second max. And I'm not sure we have stabilization, but regardless, get a tripod if you want to shoot stable footage. So that is the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. Left to me, it's a decent device at this price point. The only thing I might likely to change is that if it is the Pro Plus, at least give us a telephoto or an ultra-wide camera. The camera department is not the best strength of this device, but if you care about the build quality, about those gorgeous display, nice software, and a great battery life, definitely grab the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus and thank me later. That is my review of the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to our channel, support us. We are close to 5,000 subscribers. And let me know what you think about Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus in the comment section below. And thanks so much for watching. And as always, love, peace, and peace.